Cukuru ciakagwo irĩ rũciũ rwa mũingĩ, no aikari a kaunti ya Baringo makiria icigo-inĩ cia ũmbunge cia Baringo ya rũgongo na ya Kianda matikoretwo na rũciũ rũu, kuona Ekinai a ũici wa mahiũ na njũragano nĩmo maingatĩte kwao na njĩra ya kũmatharĩkĩra, na kwa ihinda rĩa mĩaka mĩingĩ cukuru makiria ya 21 cia matũũra macio cikoretwo moko-inĩ ma Ekinai acio.
All those schools are in Baringo South constituency. 2 of them are in Baringo North constituency. That area has been terrorized for a very long time. Over 21 schools, 16 in Baringo South and 5 in Baringo North, have been closed for quite some years because of banditry attack, and people living in those areas had fled for safety.
Kwa mũhano, cukuru wa Ng'elecha ũrĩa ũrĩ Baringo ya mũhuro kũhakana na kaunti ya Laikipia wĩgwatĩirwo nĩ mwĩkinaĩ ũmwe mĩaka 10 mĩhetũku. Mwĩkinaĩ ũcio agĩtua cukuru ũcio mũciĩ wake, kũrĩa we, atumia ake hamwe na ciana ciake meting'ũragĩria.
And the classrooms became the home of the bandits. One class 8 became the bedroom of the head of the family. Class 7 became the bedroom of the first wife. Class 6 became the bedroom of the second wife. Class 5 became the bedroom of the firstborn. And there is no greater level of impunity and lawlessness like that than that.
Dithemba mwaka mũthiru, President William Ruto niwe wathire honge cia ũgitĩri icokerie mũingĩ cukuru icio kuma moko-inĩ ma Ekinai, na cukuru 14 nĩ icokeirio mũingĩ gũkinyĩria rĩu.
We have been able to open a total of 14 schools, and I know them. So, Senator, I'm not just giving a media story for the media. I know the schools. It's only that the names are a bit difficult. Iko Harabar, iko Kapindasum, iko ile Kasiela. I know all of them. Even the ones you have cited, I know where they are.
Cukuru mũgwanja iria itigarĩte irabatara gwakwo werũ tondũ nĩ ciacinĩtwo ciothe.
We have resecured 100 million shillings. And me and my colleague, the CS for Education, are going to Arabar, to Ng'elecha, to Mukutani, to make sure that we rebuild the schools that were burnt down and vandalized by bandits.
Na rĩu thirikari ĩrauga gũkinyĩria mweri wa gatano, cukuru ikĩhingũrwo rũtha rwa kerĩ, cukuru icio mũgwanja nĩ igakorwo icokereirie.
We are even discussing with TSC to help us get additional teachers from the local community, because most of the teachers posted there are still not very comfortable and they keep on asking for transfers. And we are working with the members of parliament and the leaders of Baringo. In fact, I'm supposed to meet them this week. By next time, all the schools will be open. And I want to say this, that those schools will never be shut again.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.